In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a recurring invoice. We'll start on the right side of your screen by opening the Invoices area. Click on Invoice to bring up your invoicing workspace, then select Create New Invoices to open a fresh invoice. Before anything else, add the client details so everything is tied to the right person. Click Add a Client. You can type in the client's first name or choose an existing contact from your list if it appears. Make sure to enter their last name as well so the invoice records are accurate and easy to find later. Taking a moment here to confirm spelling can save you time down the road. Next, set your dates. Add the date of issue to indicate when this invoice is created or sent. Then add a due date that matches your payment terms. Clear dates help your client know exactly when payment is expected and help you keep cash flow predictable. Now let's add what you're billing for. Click Add a Line to create your first line item. You can add as many lines as you need, whether you're billing for multiple services or products. Use straightforward descriptions so your client understands the charges at a glance, and double-check quantities, rates, and totals as you go. If you want this invoice to send automatically on a schedule, you can make it recurring. On the right side, click Make Recurring to open the recurring settings. Choose the next issue date, which is when the next invoice in this series should be generated. Then decide how many invoices you want in the series. You can set it to be infinite, meaning it continues until you stop it, or specify an exact number if this is a limited engagement. You'll also see delivery options. Choose how you want these invoices to be delivered so they reach your client reliably on each cycle. If you'd like to allow your client to pay online, check the option to accept online payments. Enabling this can speed up payment and reduce back and forth. Once you've reviewed the recurring settings, click Done to confirm them. Finally, click Save to store your invoice and all the details you've entered. That's it. Your invoice is ready, and if you made it recurring, it will follow the schedule you set. Before you move on, take a quick moment to review the client name, issue, and due dates and each line item. Clear, accurate invoices help you get paid faster and keep your records clean. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to